Hello everyone, welcome to Eash kitchen. Today we are going to make a flavorful mutton Mongolian. It's totally different dish compared to Mongolian rice, and please follow my video. It's my own style of Mongolian mutton. Let's check the ingredients of mutton Mongolian. Fresh mutton, onion, sugar, cornstarch, salt, pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, red wine, green peas, kangkung, spring onion and dry chili, and ginger and garlic. Okay, let's cut the mutton for a small strips. So easy to get cooked. You can see the size of the strips. Okay, let's marinate the mutton with red wine, oil, pepper, cornstarch, salt and egg. Black pepper, 1 teaspoon, salt, cornstarch, red wine, egg, then mix. You have to mix well and keep for 1 hour for marination. I will add little bit more cornstarch and pepper bit. Okay, let's make the Mongolian sauce. Red wine, oyster sauce, soy sauce, brown sugar, 1 tablespoon, pinch of salt and mix well. Okay, let's fry the mutton. We'll add oil, around 2 tablespoons. Okay, let's add the mutton. Let's fry the mutton for a halfway. You have to spread the mutton a little bit to get fried. It's halfway cooked. Let's remove to the platter. You have to spread properly, little bit. Okay, we use the same pan for the preparation. Let's add the onion. I'm adding little bit oil. Okay, we'll add the ginger and garlic together. Dry chili. And temper a little bit. Okay, now add the sauce. Now green peas and mix well. We'll add the cornstarch to get thick little bit. Now add mutton. And kangkung and spring onion together. So friends, my favorite Mongolian mutton. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell button and enjoy the Eash kitchen.